My dumbass went shopping and bought all the makeup I couldn't afford. I genuinely have no idea what I'm going to do once I finish these things. So since I bought them, let's put them to good use and beautify my broke ass. So stay tuned, I'll also be doing post impressions. If I do my makeup, I'm going to start with a bun, an old shirt and a hairband. It's going to be a long trip with lots of trying on new makeup, so sit back and relax. All set, so let's go. No. This is not the part of the haul. This is just the primer I'm gonna use, and after that, I will be putting mostly all the makeup, new makeup which I bought, and it's very important to have a strong base. So, for strong base, I'm using this inside primer to see how it's gonna work on this primer. It's pretty good, underrated primer, so consider checking that out. For foundation, I bought this elf foundation. I'll put the shade and everything in description. I really am in love with this foundation. It claims to give you flawless skin, and honestly, on one side of my skin you can see that I use the foundation, and on the other side I have not blended it, and it looks so skin like. It looks dewy, but it's not bad matte dewy. It's not really mattifying, it's not really dewy, it's just like your skin. Just like your skin glows, it glows. Some of us are addicted to Maybelline foundations, but did you know that these two foundations have the same pricing but different quantities? Maybelline gives you an extra 10 ml, so it's up to you, but this foundation is something I'm definitely going for. तो जो रोज़ फाउंडेशन लगाते हैं उनके लिए 10 ml भी बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, बिकॉज वो एक हफ्ता वरना 4-5 दिन एक्स्ट्रा खींच लेता है. You know how I began with a lot of redness on my face, but that's all gone now. It promises a flawless finish and a medium coverage. That's something I can see. My video has no filter on, so you can see the texture, which is not patchy, is really smooth, and the packaging appears to be somewhat crazy expensive. I'm using this concealer since the rest of the products I'll be showing you are going to be outrageous. You will see what I meant at the end of the video. I really love it how it's blending. Of course, it's Maybelline's magic that's blending, but it's looking so flawless with elf foundation. Like, I have never imagined that it would look so good with any other foundation. Generally, concealer works with those foundations that is of like same company, but this is just miraculous, like out of the world. This is the one thing that I bought. This is actually I wanted as a contour, but it's a much warmer and lighter shades, so I will see what I'm gonna do with this. But this is from Star Cosmetics, and yeah, I don't think that I can use this as a contour, but definitely we'll see how I'm gonna use that, so stay tuned. One more thing from elf Cosmetics, it's their eyebrow pencil, and I have this in the darker shade. I actually link the names and everything below क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं है अभी वॉइस ओवर के टाइम पे. And it has a very nice soft spooky, and on the other side it has a very nice cute very small nib, and I think I'm gonna try this, but first I'm going to use my eyebrow gel as usual, because you guys know I cannot live without that. I mean, you wanted me to try something else for my eyebrows, so now I tried, and I just cannot find any other alternative for eyebrow gel. Maybe I'll try any other eyebrow gel. I'm just outlining it, making it sure that I won't go out with the eyebrow pencil कहीं इधर उधर ड्रॉ ना करने लग जाऊँ. I need a space, I need a line. This is a classic. This video is not and will never be sponsored because of you who don't subscribe and just watch and leave. This is as smooth as butter and as natural as the moon itself. I shot this video a few days ago, and today I walked out with my brows on, and to be honest, I never do my eyebrows when I go somewhere important. It didn't fade or anything. I felt comfortable, and I'll definitely buy it again. It's so cool because I meticulously do every single strand of hair because of the tip. It's so thin. I purchased a similar eyebrow item on Amazon from a local brand for a very low price. It was broken, the tip was hefty, and I'd been skeptical ever since. So I started using pigmented pots or a palette, but this thing really helped me regain my trust. And look at this looks so natural. I mean, tell me if it's not looking natural. I mean, if you have any other definition of natural. You can see this that I am cleaning it with a concealer brush, even though I don't need to. Baaki time when I use the normal Miniso palette, I always clean it with अच्छे से, but this time I don't even need to clean it उतना जितना I usually do. Using my brush to take off the excess powder, and to be honest, use a fluffy brush that will give you more good finish, because since I've started using a fluffy brush after baking, that really gives that natural flawless mattifying look. As you can see, my face is not cakey when you use a mattifying foundation, and my direction is going in Maybelline's house. Maybelline being a mattifying foundation, when you use a mattifying foundation and when you use this baking technique, it makes your skin dry if you naturally have dry skin, and I have dry skin. And when I use this foundation, this elf foundation, and I bake, I can easily bake. I do not have to take care of how much time I'm putting my powder and stuff like that. So it's really good. Overall, the foundation is amazing. Moving on to the bronzer, which is the Nykaa bronzer, which is not new. Remember when in this video I said that the products are going to be outrageous? Why I said that? Because look at my face and look at the thumbnails of my other videos. Do you feel that this is a makeup? I do like heavy makeup whenever I put on eyeshadow or something. Do you think that this base is going in that direction? No. Okay, now I'm gonna shut up, because now we have this new palette from K Beauty. It's called Bare Soul, and the most interesting thing about this is the packaging. Of course, you see there is one layer, then there is this thing white color ka, and then there is the palette, and this is not it. There is going to be one more layer. So I have this box and it's a slide. Yeah, so now I got the palette, and if I open this, the plastic thing as usual, which protects the mirror, we are getting the mirror too. And this is the neutral palette, as you can see. Look at these colors. I think these colors could be my go-to colors. These are so neutral, you can do this on everyday basis. So I just cannot wait to put this on, and I am using my clean brushes for the first time. I'm using my clean brushes for something. I'm using this one shade, which I think is really nice. What I feel about this palette is that it's very neutral and it's not that pigmented. I know, big statement, बहुत casually बोल गई मैं, but if you see this, you can build the pigment up, but it's just not it. I feel it's not that pigmented. Probably it's because of the theme of this palette. It's very bare, it's very nude and neutral, so probably that's that. But I totally love this makeup. I am done with my eye makeup. The glitter part is always for the last thing. So yeah, you see, do you feel that I have any eyeshadow on? Like, this is the kind of the eyeshadow that I would go for if I have to do heavy makeup. No, because this is very neutral thing. I can use this in daily wear, literally, yes. In colleges, probably farewells, yes. छोटे मोटे कुछ ऑफिस का कुछ, of course. But this is not really a wedding sort of thing. It's really bare, really nude. I love that. If you're not into eyeshadows or something but you want to try, get this palette, because this palette is going to help you. इसमें आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होगा. आप थोड़ा सा भी आई शेडो लगाओगे, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा क्रेजी नहीं लगेगा. ब्लेंड बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है. सो yeah, go for it. Now I'm using this, my usual eyeliner from InColor Max Black, जो कि मैं पीछे ही करके आती हूँ, ऑफ कैमरा ही होता है वो. एंड क्योंकि मेरा eyeliner ऊपर नीचे जाता ही है, so I'm correcting it with the concealer. And I think so far I love my eye makeup. I don't hate that. I love the eyeshadows. It blends very nicely. It's very nude, very neutral. I was looking for something that I could wear on the daily basis, especially in the winters. I wanted something nice, neutral, not too crazy. So definitely I'm going to use this, I think, on daily basis. But yeah, I think this is going to be my new no makeup or neutral makeup routine. what do you guys think? Do you like this palette? Have you used it? There is a discount on Nykaa, you can check that out. You can definitely go buy all these things if you like it. And I think so far all the things that I've bought, I love them. There's not a single thing that I hate except that Stars Cosmetic का stuff. Beauty blenders are good, but I'm just tapping end में क्योंकि वो soak कर लेते हैं product. Then this is also a new thing. This is a lash glue and मेरी वाली ख़त्म हो रही थी, मैं अपनी वाली नहीं मिली मेरे को नायका पे. So I bought this thing. This is of Miss Claire's. जो मैं यूज़ करती थी वो यूरोप गर्ल की थी. So I'm very skeptical about it too. और ये मैंने लैशेस वॉश करके ऐसे लगा रखी हैं लिपस्टिक पे गोल गोल ताकि अच्छे लग जाए. Now that I have these lashes on, I am using a mascara, and I think when you wash your lashes, there is a way that you wash your lashes. I mean, there is a very specific way because I dipped my lashes in makeup remover and took out all the makeup and stuff, and I dipped it for a good 1 or 2 hours, and that made it kind of rough. So I don't know, but they are working just fine. I'm so scared, oh my god, because of the mascara and the lashes are rough. They are kind of giving me a hard time. Anyway, they are done, and I had this Nykaa Poker Face Mini lipstick slash eyeshadow thingy. I think it's very small. I thought it's big. I didn't read the word mini in the heading, so it's kind of a, you know, BT battery. Yeah, so this is one swatch, and as you can see, it's very sheer. It's like not even there, it's very sheer. Of course, if you try to smudge it, वो इधर कहीं नहीं जाएगा, but it's like very sheer. And I have this K Beauty का pencil. This is also a new thingy which I bought. It's kind of expensive. As you can see, this is a nudish color, so I'm going to outline my lips. So what is the difference between this K Beauty wala lipstick and the normal Miss Claire wala lipstick that lip pencil that I use? So the thing is that these are like a butter, these are like a sketch pen, but जो आप दूसरा वाला यूज़ करते हो जो थोड़ा cheap होता है, the pencil one, that is kind of like let's say pencil color. So yeah, that's the difference. You have to scratch it and to get the pigment, you have to, you know, just overlay it, I guess. But this K Beauty thing, you just have to make one line and the pigment is there, the line is there. I used my lipstick and now I am using this Nykaa thingy on my lips, and as you can see, it's very sheer. I don't think it's even there, or I think my sister used this once and now I'm using this and it's just gone. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि बॉटल में कुछ बचा है, या फिर कहीं बचा होगा तो साइड में बॉटल्स पे लगा होगा एजेस पे, and I don't think that I can use that again. It's a mini bottle, of course, what do I expect, but it's very little. Try not to buy it, try to find some alternatives or something, or I will find it for you. Really nice metallic, but I think quantity is very low, and it's, I mean, I don't know, it doesn't work, but I'm not a fan of it. If you want to try this, you can try that. I'm using this brush from Wet n Wild. It's also a very sheer brush. I used all the sheer things in this video because I knew that these makeup things that I bought, like the new stuff that I got, is really sheer. I don't know, I just got this and everything is making this look very subtle, and I love that. I feel different, to be very honest. This makeup is making me feel very different. I mean, if you look at this is so subtle and so nice, yet this is expensive. If you go for expensive makeup, you don't get that tacky, colorful, you know, thing. Keeping that in mind, I chose a very nice highlighter for this thing. This is a very soft shade which I went for, and it's looking very nice with the whole makeup. It's coming together, and with highlighter, literally, like without highlighter you cannot complete any look. You need to have any highlighter or anything over to have your, you know, the areas pop out, and I totally love it. The more you use the fan brush over your cheeks, the more you will get that melted soft look of highlighter. And now I'm opening my hair, and let's see how it looks with the hair down. Do let me know in the comments if you like this, if any of the things that you like, and we'll see you in the next